guys, so today I've got a box that I've not had before, and it is this cookie box from Gardners cookies. Now on their website there is a drop down option for other countries, so I'm assuming that other countries can buy this, but I'm not 100%. I'll try and find that out and put it in the description below. But basically this is a subscription box where they send you between 6 and 8 like handmade cookies every month. There is kind of like a little bit of a theme, so if it's Halloween there'll be like cute like bats and pumpkins and stuff, and if it's Easter there'll be like bunnies and things, but if there's not like a holiday around then obviously they're just kind of general. So usually in the UK this is £12.95, that's with postage included, so it's free shipping, but I do have a discount code which makes the first box like nearly half price if anyone wants to get a box. So it's £6.95 and the code is delicious. So again, I'll put that down below in case anyone wants to go try them, but I'm gonna show you what is in here. So let's have a see. So you open it up, it's like another little box inside, and it's very cute, all like fancy packaging. So it says these are shortbread cookies, and it's got edible frosting sheets and ink. Our cookies are made in a bakery. It says eat within 2 months, so that's quite a long like use by date, I guess. 2 months is quite a long time. They also do other stuff, just quickly throwing that in there, not just subscription boxes, but they also do like gifts and cards, so you can like send someone a birthday card but that's a cookie and stuff. It's really cute. But this is the subscription box anyway. I'm just going to move all this colourful stuff out of the way. These are very, very cute. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 in this box. Oh, I might have to move that actually. And it says, oh, it's going to be so hard to show you without them all falling out. It says save the bees. So this cookie here says save, this one says the, then we've got bees at the bottom, and then a cute little bee up here. So they are very, very cute little black bees on them cookies. I feel like this would be like a cute little gift for someone, like, I don't know, just to cheer someone up or something. But I'm gonna try one of these now, so we'll try this one that says save on it, see what it's like. Let's see. Oh, it smells good. It smells like nicer than I thought it would actually, weirdly. They are really good. There's not much you can say about that. It's shortbread, really soft and buttery. I mean, I know you're not going to be able to tell on camera, but like they're not hard and like stale or anything. They're really nice. So yeah, I'm going to put that back so I don't eat it all on camera. Show you another little close-up of these bee ones because these are so cute. So this is the bees. It's like a grassy bottom bit. And then this is the little bee one. I think this is the cutest one. So yeah, anyway, that is our little cookie subscription from Gardners Cookies. I'll probably end up getting this again around Halloween time because I really want the creepy, like, cute little Halloween-y cookies. But like I said, I do have the discount code, so if anyone wants to try it out now, then you get your box nearly half price. Let me know if you do get it and if you like it and stuff. And yeah, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.